Today, we're gonna tour this amazing, smart, and solar-powered house for sale with pool here in Angeles City, Pampanga. If that's something you're looking for, keep on watching. Welcome to Howie TV House Tours. Let's go! So on this side, meron tayong automated gate which is very convenient. This one is good for one big car. Ayan. Also, on this side, meron tayong access to the pool, pero later na yan papakita sa inyo. Ang ganda rin kasi meron tayong socket and water supply dito. Let's go. You have your mini pocket garden here, which is parang Japanese style siya. Ang ganda, very zen, relaxing. And also here. Sa side na to, dito yung pedestrian gate. So, madali lang makapasok. Tapos, ano pa ba? CCTVs are installed already. Makikita natin yan para added security dahil nga smart home siya. You can access it through your phone lang, no? Tapos, of course, dahil nga smart home, we have our smart door lock. Come on in. By the way, this house is 150 square meters lot area and 261 square meters floor area. It comes fully furnished, so let's check it. Upon entering, dito sa right ko, dito yung ating living room, which is beautifully designed. As you can see guys, no, ang ganda ng detailing niya. I would say na para tong hotel vibe. We have a very large TV. I think this is 70, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that. Tapos, we have, dito muna tayo, our kitchen. Yung kitchen natin, perfecto for parang cooking show. Parang show kitchen siya, no? So, it's very neat looking and well lighted. Dito meron tayong double door refrigerator, your sink, your induction cooker, your range, and my microwave and normal oven. Ang maganda rito guys, napansin ko, is napakadaming storage. So, ma-avoid natin yung mga clutter. Tingnan nyo, sa taas, storage, and also sa baba, and pati dito, may storage tayo. Ayan. Pati dito. Okay? Your dining table is right here. It seats 8 people. So, ang ganda ng pagkakadesign. Imagine nyo, family dinner kayo dito and yung guest nyo ay, di ba, nag-entertain kayo ng guest nyo. Very classy. Tapos, ito yung ating powder room. Actually, it's a full bathroom kasi may shower siya. Ayan. Pasok tayo. It's a good space. Ayan, oh. I think ito pwedeng gamitin ng mga taong maliligo sa pool. At yung mga guests natin. Over on this side, meron tayong bedroom sa ground floor. Alam niyo, marami kaming clients hinahanap yung bedroom sa ground floor because they have elderly or may mga iba na hindi na ayaw nang umakyat boba. So, ito, ang ganda ng size. Malaki yung bed natin. I think this is a king size bed. Kaya makikita nyo yung space natin, hindi siya pilit. Storage right here. Yan, meron tayong cabinetry dito. Shelves. And of course, my own bathroom. Ayan siya. Ang ganda. Napansin ko pa dito guys, may malaking window siya facing the front of the house. So may natural light talaga. At kung colder months like this, pwedeng i-open to para presko lang. By the way, on the hotter months, installed na rin yung ating air conditioning. Let's go out naman. Meron tayong corner sliding doors dito leading to the pool. Ang ganda rin ng curtains niya, oh. Diba? So, ano ba siya? Yan. Ito yung ating pool area. Diba? It's a dipping pool sa gilid. Yan, makikita natin yung mga plants natin. Napakaganda. Parang resort ang datingan. Okay? Ito yung ating dirty kitchen. Meron tayong gas stove dito. Meron tayong sink. Meron tayong range hood. And of course, washing machine. Ito, may enjoy natin to. Ako kasi mahilig maglaba. So ito, washing machine. And your staff room. Alam nyo, ito yung isa sa mga magandang size na staff room because kasyang-kasya ang bed, tas may space pa, tas may own bathroom. Saan na yung ilaw niya? Yan. Ang ganda ng shower. Yeah. Napakaganda niya. No? Punta naman tayo ngayon, syempre, sa second floor. Okay? Kasi kung tingin nyo yung baba, napakaganda na. Wait until you see the second floor. So we have wood stairs dito. Very sturdy ang handle. Wide and high ceiling. Ayan siya. Diba? At kung makapansin nyo guys, lighted din yung ating mga steps. So at night, it's gonna be safe for you to go up and down. Kanina guys, meron akong konting dilemma kung alin ba talaga ang master bedroom kasi lahat magaganda. So, i-check natin yung isa sa mga bedrooms dito. On my right. This is bedroom number 2. Ang ganda ng interior. May window din siya for natural light. TVs are installed. Cabinetry and own bathroom. Ganda. Now, let's check the next bedroom. But before we do, papakita ko sa inyo itong napakagandang space on the second floor, which is your family area. Kasi imagine chilling here with your family, watching TV, di ba? Games and all. Tapos may access siya sa ating balcony. So guys, check natin yung balcony. Dito meron tayong sitting area, coffee table, 'di ba? You can have your coffee in the morning or just chill at night. Napakaganda. Now, included tong piano natin kung meron sa inyo dyan ng mga family na musicians. Perfect. Also, air conditioning, TV, and napakagandang chandelier included. Meron din tayo ditong powder room. Ito guys, I would call the junior master bedroom because very wide ang space niya. Big windows din sa gilid. Air conditioning installed. May TV na rin. King size bed. And your cabinetry is here. Diba? Tapos, may own bathroom siya. Nagdesisyon ako na ito ang junior master bedroom kasi yung kabila na master bedroom has bigger na toilet and bath. Okay? So, check natin. So, confirmed guys, this is the master bedroom because ito nga yung may access din sa balcony. Napakalaki ng bed. Also ng TV, air conditioning, installed na. At meron siyang pa-walk-in. Nandito Imagine mo dito ka nag-aayos in the morning bago mag-work. Diba? Tapos, separate din yung kanyang bathroom. Ang luwag. Guys, na-maximize yung space niya. Ang ganda ng layout. Also, the shower. Wide siya. For reference, ayan siya. Diba? Meron din dito window for ventilation. And, of course, yan, nagbabago yung ilaw. Diba? At may oras, guys. Ang galing. First time ko makakita ng ganun. May oras at temperature. Okay? So guys, let's do a recap. This property is 150 square meter lot area, 261 square meters floor area, 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms with pool, smart home, solar powered, located in Angeles City, Pampanga, near Friendship. This property is marked down to 24 million pesos from 26.5 million pesos. So guys, if you're interested, don't hesitate to contact me, Harold Olalia from Live Realty, 0956-590-6988. Don't forget to follow our page, Live Invest Properties and Livetopia. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next house tour.